I'm going to give you 10 cheat meal strategies for weight loss. For fitness tips and effective workouts you can use at home, subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Let's get started. Number 1, plan to cheat. Having a strategy is a key part of a cheat meal. Plan when and what you're going to eat. Most experts agree that one cheat meal per week is sufficient. It's a good idea to line up that cheat meal on a weekend or social occasion. By planning your cheat meal, you know what you'll be eating and can cut a few extra calories earlier in the day. This also allows you to really pick a favorite food instead of wasting calories on something you won't enjoy. Number 2, earn the burn. One way cheat meals can boost the metabolism is by increasing levels of leptin, the anti-starvation hormone responsible for sending hunger messages to the body. When your body senses a calorie deficit, leptin levels drop, prompting the metabolism to slow down and conserve energy. Throwing a calorie-rich meal into the mix tricks your system into thinking food is plentiful and that it's okay to burn through fat stores. Number 3, don't cheat when you're starving. Some people pre-game a cheat meal by punishing themselves on the treadmill and severely restricting calories for days in advance. While creating a calorie buffer can be a smart cheat meal strategy, overcompensating for a feast by saving calories for days in advance always backfires. So don't charge yourself before your cheat day. You're more likely to overeat if you come to the table deprived. Number 4, cheat in moderation. There's a cheat meal and then there's a cheat day or days. And the latter, going nuts on the weekend because you've been on point with your diet during the week, is never a good idea. A solid diet and exercise program will help you lose 1 to 2 pounds a week, a deficit of 3,500 to 7,000 calories. If you're serious about losing weight, limit yourself to one cheat meal per week. Pick a date, a mealtime, and a restaurant, and put it in the diary. Number 5, create a calorie buffer. You can minimize the damage of a cheat meal the day of your feast by banking the majority of your daily calories, primarily those from carbs and fats. There are a couple ways to do this effectively. If possible, fast before the meal. If you're cheating at dinner time, move your first meal to lunchtime. Reducing the number of hours you'll be eating not only saves you calories, but it also shifts your body into a fat-burning state. If you're looking for a program you can do at home to help you lose fat, complete with meal plans, supplements, on-demand exercise program, expert coaching, and live support, check out the Get Healthy at Home program, link in the description. Number 6, work out before you feast. Another trick to minimize fat gains for your cheat meal is to deplete your glycogen stores, the sugar in your system that your body burns up for energy. Why does it work? The body won't store carbohydrates as body fat until the glycogen reserves are full, so the emptier your tank, the more room you have for spaghetti before it ends up on your thighs. How do you do it? Work out before your cheat meal, ideally before you eat anything that day. Number 7, take your own order. It's easy to be overwhelmed by temptations on the menu. Studies show that when people are presented with multiple food options, they eat more. Try to mentally limit the food choices you're allowed in advance of your cheat meal by focusing on the options you absolutely love and crave. Choose a restaurant with a menu over a buffet, and if possible, peruse the options in advance. Head to your restaurant with a game plan. Number 8, don't pig out. Wait, what? Isn't the whole idea of this to stuff yourself silly to make all the sacrifices worth it? Actually, no. The cheat meal is an opportunity to eat what you like, not a mandate to eat what you can. First, set time constraints. Remember, it's a cheat meal, not a cheat day. So eat 2 or 3 pieces of pizza, not the whole pie. The key is to get a meal of the food you like, not to stuff yourself with them. Number 9, get a table, not a booth. Resist the urge to grab a stool at the bar and chow down while you watch the game. Research shows that people who eat while watching television eat an average of 10% more in one sitting than they otherwise would. Not only that, distracted eaters go on to eat up to 25% more total calories over the course of the day. You can savor every bite and save hundreds of calories just by indulging in the dining room instead of the booths at the bar. Number 10, order the best type of cheat meal. Some cheat meals are better than others, and a high carbohydrate, moderate protein meal, however naughty, can help you stay on track with your diet. Why? Carbohydrates have the greatest influence on leptin levels, which help you burn fat and feel full. And protein has the greatest influence on satiety due to its influence on appetite, regulating hormones, and high thermic effect. Like this video if you liked it, and click on this video to discover 8 myths about cardio for fat loss. That's it. That's all. See you next time.